last week I showed you every single live action clip with a Viddyoze commercial license, and if you haven't seen that yet, there's a link in the description below to check that out. But in this video, I'm going to show you every single logo clip that you can use with a Viddyoze commercial license. I'll show you how I set the logo clips right now. So here's the homepage of Viddyoze, and here's the logo section that gave me 59 different clips under the commercial license, which I will show you all of them pretty soon. To show you an example of how I set up each video clip, I'll use a chess logo clip. There's the preview on the right, and I'm going to click Browse, Upload File, and choose the 1080 by 1080 size logo my wife made in Canva. After the logo has been uploaded, I clicked Continue. Then I changed the titles to our channel name and to our motto. I clicked Continue again. I left the colors on default and also left the music on default as well. I clicked Preview, Create, and after it rendered, I downloaded the clip and checked to see that the video worked perfectly. I did this same method to all 59 of the clips so that you'll know what you could be expecting if and when you decide to try Viddyoze. I'm now going to show you the rest of the videos, and please let me know which logo clip is your favorite in the comments below. Enjoy! Alright everybody, I hoped you enjoyed all those logo clips. Click on these other vids to see more like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next item.